Hey everybody, this is Coach D with TackleTrading.com, here to talk to you about the fundamental metric of sales per share. Sales per share is a simple ratio that calculates the total revenue earned per share over a designated period, typically quarterly, annually, or most commonly a TTM, a trailing 12-month metric. The formula to use for this calculation is simple. Take the yearly sales revenue and divide by the average shares outstanding for the designated time frame. A higher ratio is preferable, and this data can be interpreted as a company that has successfully used its resources to produce sales. The sales per share ratio is more reliable or significant when coupled with other share value metrics like earnings per share to more effectively assess the profitability of a company. Here we're looking at the fundamental data for Microsoft, and we have the share values up top here, where you can see the sales per share, and you can see that their current annual value is 12.33. And if you look back over the last few years, from 2013 at $9.19 in sales per share to 2014, 10.34, to 2015, 11.34. Again, to 2016, a bit of a dip, and then to 2017, where, again, we're on track for an increase in sales per share. That could be a strong fundamental metric. Also, particularly when coupled with these other share values data like earnings per share, where you can actually see that there's $3.88 in earnings per share. And you can look back over the data, 2013, 14, 15, 16, and 17, and you can see a nice little trend where you see it, in 2013 at 258, 2014, 263, a dip in 2015, an increase again in 2016, and a new high in 2017 of earnings per share. So that's important data and information, and we can extrapolate out value to determine whether or not this company is profitable. Let's compare those numbers to Apple. Again, one of the direct competitors for Microsoft. And here you can see share values. And again, sales per share, much higher ratio, which is more favorable. 43.65. And again, if you look over the historical data from 2013, 14, 15, 16, and 17, you see pretty good numbers across the board. 26.21, 29.86, 40.34, 39.21 and 43.65 for a steady upward trend on average in the sales per share data. And again, when compared to their earnings per share, you can actually extrapolate that same data out and get a better picture of the profitability of these two companies, which should make investing in one of these two companies a no-brainer. You now have a pretty good understanding of how sales per share work. And again, share values are important to understand from a fundamental perspective in trading.